If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to go to my page and click the subscribe button and stay up to date on all my latest updates. All right, if you guys didn't know, Whipple have recently dropped a new updated tune for the Stage 2 superchargers. So I'm going to show you guys how to get that new tune. So first, what you want to do is on your box that came with your Whipple, it came with like the numbers and everything. I covered it up just because I don't want to show all of my car's information. And then you're going to need your Whipple Tomahawk tool. So then you're going to need to get your supercharger serial number. You're going to need your Whipple Tomahawk serial number. And then from there, you're going to go onto Whipple's website. You're going to go up here to calibration request. You're going to fill out all this information right here. And then from there, you're going to submit it. So that's what we're going to do right now. So I'll pick back up the camera after I submit it. All right, now that that is all said and done, it is now time to wait. Okay, we are on part 2 of this story. So Whipple has emailed me the tune at around 12:30 this morning. So now what we're going to do is we're going to download all these files, put it on the supplied SD card, and then we're going to go flash over the vehicle. So here we go. All right, so the Tomahawk thing is always going to pop up over here in this corner. It might not pop up in the corner for you, but from that next step there, you want to just grab these files and just drop them on over. You got to do both the APP and the actual BIN. So now we have those over there. We're going to close out of this, eject it, because if you don't eject it, things don't go properly. So now we're just going to go over to the car and flash it. Okay, so the next step is pretty simple. We are in the car now. We are going to turn it to accessory mode. And then from accessory mode, we're going to plug the Tomahawk device into the car. So here we go. Okay, so now the Tomahawk device is now uploading, doing what it's supposed to do. Car is still on. We are going to wait for it to give us the option to reflash the car. So let's just boot up right now. So as you can see here, it says Whipple S650. I believe that's where you pick. Reprogramming software update.
(911) assist is not operational. Please visit.
Car is doing something crazy. And as you can see here, the tune is writing. It's kind of too bright, but it is on 5% right now. We're just going to sit here and wait until it's all done. Okay, so the next step is it is done writing. So now what we have to do is we're going to unplug the ODB. They say give the car about, let it turn off, which we just did. Okay, they say put it back into accessory mode. They say let it do accessory mode for about 60 seconds. So we'll let that happen. Okay, so we're gonna let the car do accessory mode. I'm gonna give it more than 60 seconds. I'm gonna restart this approximately. If it's 7:04 now, we'll do it probably like 7:06 just to give a little bit of extra time. So I actually did have this car kind of on like a winter storage mode, but it's not covered just yet. So I'm gonna lift this up. It is connected to a battery tender right now, so we are just going to disconnect this for a second. because the car is now ready to be started. And we will start up the car. So just to be safe, we're gonna power down the car one more time. Open up the door so we can know that we're powering it down. It turns off. Okay. So from this point, we can go ahead and start up the car. Foot on the brake, gas. There she goes. As far as what does the new Whipple tune do, I am not honestly sure what it does, but in a few we are going to take the car out for a little couple test hits and see how it performs. So stay tuned. All right, so we are not going to go too crazy because this car literally is like 49 degrees outside, and that's never a smart idea to go that crazy when it's so cold. But let's just see how it goes from this little dig. Sideways. That's all that was. It's like an ice show. Left, right, left, right. We are going to try something a little different. Let's see how it does from a road, which is also going to be a very bad idea because guess what? I mean, no lie, even from that little dig that we did, it felt super strong. I mean, like the whole left, right, I mean, that was manageable, but it felt good, you know? I feel like that the tune that they did, it really woke it up maybe just a smidgen. Let's give it one more light little pull. Keep in mind, this is the greatest idea what we're doing. It is literally 48 degrees on drag radial, so I really do not advise this, but this is just for testing purposes. That's all we're doing. So again, we're not going to do nothing too crazy. Nice little straightaway right here. I just want to see how the car does from a dig. So here we are. Dig once again. Even after that little left, right, we still hooked and booked, so it's nasty. Let's take it home. Overall, I am very satisfied so far. I really just can't wait until summer comes around again, or next spring, so we can actually take this car out and we can really try out the new features that it has with this new tune. Like I say in the last video, we are still going to order those parts, so about come spring of next year we will be ready to go. So I didn't want to have too much long of a video. I didn't want to bore you guys, but just for some insight, that wasn't in sport mode, that wasn't in track mode, that wasn't in drag mode, that was in complete normal mode. So there was nothing that I put the car in to make it accelerate the way it did. I think it's just a combination of the cold air and we're gonna say tuning. But thank you guys for watching. Always comment, like, subscribe, and till next time guys, thank you.